The Financial Conduct Authority has been regulating consumer credit firms since April 2014. It's our job to ensure markets work well and people have access to the financial services they need. Over the last 4 years, we've made a lot of changes to the consumer credit market.
Once the FCA took on consumer credit regulation in 2014, I think we quickly realised that it was made up of a number of different segments. And there were a number of things in there that we were not, frankly, happy with. And we have spent a lot of time over the last 4 years working to tackle those, starting with payday lending.
We've taken strong action to protect people, introducing a price cap and new rules on payday lending that are saving borrowers around £150 million a year, and restricting the way credit brokers can charge fees. Firms that haven't met our expectations have given over £900 million in redress back to customers. We've checked tens of thousands of firms are doing the right thing by their customers and made those that don't leave the market. We carefully supervise those that remain, especially those that pose more risk to their customers.
We had to access the credit in the first place just for a monthly shortfall. What we liked about the payday loan was how easy it looked. It could all be done online and it could be done within 24 hours. It should be harder to get the loans. They need to be aware of whether the person can pay it back. Through my experience, we were accepted when we shouldn't have been.
Under our rules, firms must lend responsibly and treat customers fairly. Our changes to credit cards are set to save billions of pounds for millions of people by making firms do more to help customers repay debt more quickly. And we are looking closely at unarranged overdrafts. We've made rent-to-own companies who sell household goods for a weekly or monthly fee be more transparent about charges and improve their standards. And we've supported around 350,000 of their customers in receiving £18 million in compensation. And we're getting more help to the most vulnerable, improving the way debt management firms operate and directing over 20,000 people to free advice.
Every step after that bankruptcy was a threatening step by the bank. It was almost, I was red flagged. In my situation, I felt as if I got credit too quickly, and I wish there was more transparency about the whole process and more checks.
And we are doing more on high-cost credit products, including initiatives to encourage alternatives. We have much more to do, but alone, we cannot solve every problem people face in relation to credit and debt. That's why we are working alongside other groups.
Well, FCA has a very strong commitment to regulating consumer credit and to ensure fair outcomes in consumer credit in the interests of people who use it. So our commitment is that it will be an industry that will meet society's needs, because one of the things that I do emphasise is that there is a need for consumer credit. People need this sort of credit. Our commitment is that we will continue to provide regulation which ensures fair outcomes.